Hello guys, and welcome to this new Excel tutorial. In this video I'm going to talk about the concatenate function in Excel, which is basically used to join two or more text strings into one. In this example, as you can see, we have the first name and last name of employees, and what we are going to do is that we are going to create emails based on the first name, last name at the company name.com of each employee. To do that, we are going to create a third column called email. Alright, so we insert table. Okay, so we write equal to concatenate function b3. Alright, so but if we write only b3, we may get the uppercase and lowercase of each character. So what we are going to do is that we are going to use the lower function of b3, right, comma, we add the dot, then same thing, lower function c3, right, then we have at company name.com, right? Okay, so if we check, we have all the emails with the first name and the last name of each employee. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope that you have learned new things. Thanks for watching and see you in next tutorial.